5 minutes anyway. 5 minutes please. Time to make your way back to the infield. And that allows us to get the race underway. Welcome back to the Petersfield from the beautiful Petersfield in Hampshire, just opposite.
Talk me through a start.
Wow, I don't really know. Plug it in and go. Hopefully nobody wipes me out. Hope I don't wipe anybody else. We'll send it. See how it goes.
Do you have a game plan?
Keep alive. Keep the mower going. Hopefully we finish. Bonus if we do. We're here for the fun of it.
Half an hour of real bumps, mud, flints, and we're going to win. Well, we might come second, but anyway, we're going to try.
Is that the end? I hope it is. Oh, it's horrendous out there. It's so soft and big lumps and everything. And then down the straight now, you just go about 4 times and nearly stop dead. So it's like neck breaker. Yeah, just about.
It's good fun, yeah. 2 seconds away from falling off every time, so it's good fun, yeah.
That is brutal. Considering what are we, less than 3 hours in, that's probably one of the most brutal ones I've ever done as a stint number 1. That is harsh. It's enjoyable in a strange way, in the addictive way that you want to get it right. It's really easy to get it wrong. I made one little mistake, but other than that, really good. Enjoyed it actually.
I
I enjoy making them. I say I don't, but I do. And I enjoy racing them with my team and my brother. It's all about steering angles and getting everything right like that, making it strong enough not to break and kill you, and then making it light enough to flex and be competitive, really.
So it's drivable. It is as rough as old boots, but it's quite good fun. The corners are debatable, but yeah, I mean it's going to get interesting. It's a proper 12-hour one for the ages. I think this one it's going to be a good night. If you can keep going, not necessarily fast, but just keep circulating. I think you're going to continue to go up the board because it is as I say, it's as rough as old boots.
Boys, you've had to wait 7 years. You've had to wait 7 years for this. Was it worth the wait?
Always worth the wait. These aren't easy to win. There's a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of dedication. Mark's the star. He built everything. We just turned up and tried. I'm just beat. I want to go to bed. I'm tired, but no, I'm absolutely elated with that one. That one's really good. Really good. That was hard. Yeah, since 17, the last one. Yeah, they don't come easy. That was hard, really hard.
Still enjoying it?
I'm not sure if enjoyment's quite the right word, but you just carry on doing it, don't you? I was 30 when I started in 1980, so you can work out how old I am. Far too old.